And so this is for you guys. This is for you. And I hope those stories of the people I helped before at saka itong mga stories ng mga kaibigan ko inspire you. Okay? Kasi yung nga, kailangan ko magpakita ng a lot of testimonials for you to prove to you na this is really an opportunity for everyone. No good gatekeeping. This is opportunity for everyone. Kung nakayanan nila, kaya mo din. Okay, nakaya nga ng walang laptop, nakaya nga ng mahina yung internet, nakaya nga ng nangihiram lang yung laptop. Some, yung iba sa kanila, ganyan yung situation, pero nakaya naman eh. Diba? Nakaya naman. And me, as someone na, yun nga, becoming, sabi nga nila, freelancing content creator, I'm not considering myself to be freelancing content creator. I'm just someone na who loves to help people. Pero I'm not making any new trends sa freelancing, okay? I'm not teaching you. I'm not trying to be someone else or some new upcoming coach or something. I just want to share the opportunity sa inyong lahat. I am just filling in the gap that is missing to what is being shared by content creators about freelancing. Kasi I think yung one motivation ko ba't ko to ginawa na course at saka bakit siya free is because there are some ingredients for someone to become successful sa freelancing pero yung tinuturo lang is focused on one thing tapos hindi na tinuturo yung ibang part. Eh, yung ibang part is importante rin sa success mo. Okay? And I will explain everything to you later. So, this course na you are listening right now is a holistic approach on how to be successful sa freelancing. Okay? Holistic approach. Okay? Next, all of my knowledge, yung experience ko working with clients, what my mentors have taught me, yung mga courses na in-enrollan ko before, yung experience ko helping other people, yung teaching, yung mga tinuruan ko before, yung mga classes ko before, yung experience ko sa mga tinuruan ko mga friends before are all packed on this course. Okay? So yun, everything is packed on this course. Parang in-squeeze ko na siya into one video para turuan ka. Okay? So yun. I will discuss a lot of things in this course. Actually, I've been discussing a lot of things na. I've been talking for a few hours na at this point. I am in 1 hour 30 minutes at this point. So you might be overwhelmed. Okay? So listen, you might be overwhelmed, but please don't. Okay? You don't have to do everything all at once. Just follow step by the step. Sabi nga nitong meme na to, what I will suggest at the end. Okay, at the last part of this training, I will give you next steps anong kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Ang dami kong sasabihin sa course na to na sure ako talaga it will be overwhelming to do. Pero the reason why I'm telling you that is kailangan ko sabihin lahat ng ingredient sa iyo eh. 'Di ba? So I will tell you lahat ng ingredient. Yung para bang gusto mong example, gusto mo matuto magluto ng escabeche. Ano bang mga ingredient ng escabeche? Probably hindi mo alam on top of your mind kung hindi ka nagluluto. So you need to know all of the ingredients paano magluto ng escabeche to be successful of creating or cooking escabeche. So now, transferring that metaphor sa freelancing, I have to tell you everything that you need to be successful sa freelancing. Kaya this will be overwhelming talaga. And I promise I will do my best to make this worth it in the end. Okay? Just give me time and trust me. I will do everything. I will do my best to be as clear as possible. Okay? Ngayon, willing ka ba gawin ang lahat para maging successful sa freelancing? Or para mag-success sa freelancing? Okay. Now, please answer this question. Alam ko, naka-headphone ka, nanonood ka sa laptop mo, nanonood ka sa phone mo. You are probably alone. You are probably surrounded by people around you, family mo, friends mo, classmates mo sa school, ka-work mo. Pero please answer this and say your answer. Are you willing? Willing ka ba gawin lahat para maging successful or para mag-success sa freelancing? Say yes. Say yes. Di ko naririnig. Okay. Say yes again. Okay. The reason why I'm asking you to do that, kasi para lumabas sa bibig mo mismo, sa mind mo mismo, dumaan sa mind mo mismo na yung answer mo, gusto mo ba talaga maging successful sa freelancing? So if you said yes, I appreciate you. Kung hindi, baka yan yung reason bakit hindi ka mag-success. So I will give you another opportunity. Willing ka bang maging successful o gawin lahat para maging successful sa freelancing? Say yes. Let me hear that. Kahit alam kong hindi kita madidinig. Okay. Thank you sa mga nag-effort. And also, I would like to say thank you sa mga mentors ko before sa freelancing because I kung ano man mga tinuro nila sa akin before, ipapass down ko sa inyo. Okay. So, are you ready, guys? Yes, nag-umpisa na tayo, pero I'm asking you, are you ready to start your journey sa freelancing? Say yes. Say yes, say yes, say yes, 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 yes. Or comment below. Okay? Comment below, please. Are you ready to start your journey in freelancing? If you said yes, I'm happy for you. I'm here for you. And I'll do everything. I'll do my best to help you on your journey. So, I'm excited for you. Tara, continue natin yung course na to.